It's Saturday, September 9th, 2017. It's about 4:45 p.m. Pacific time. That's the Pacific Ocean. We're walking down the beach. There's Patsy frolicking on the beach of the Pacific Ocean. But not, we're in Oregon, Brookings, Oregon.
Not my bathing suit.
Huh?
Not in my bathing
Don't know what she said before.
suit. I'm not frolicking in my bathing suit.
Oh, she's not frolicking in her bathing suit.
But there are people swimming.
Yeah, we're coming up on them. They're probably freezing. I guess it's about 70, 75. Pretty strong wind. In the cold Pacific Ocean.
Looking for a piece of driftwood.
The stuff you see floating, I think is sea kelp. I'm not sure. There's a ball on each one of the ends of them.
Yeah. Bugs are eating it. Bugs are eating it. That's weird, huh?
Yeah. You see toe prints in the sand. Some little kid.
I don't see any horseshoe crab.
No.
Should I get this sand?
Want to get here?
No, or you want to wait till we get it? We'll get it here.
Okay. What Patsy's talking about is taking sand with us. Grab that.
I have Idaho sand.
Idaho sand dunes. Sand.
I'll probably go get some water.
Okay, I'm stopping this one.
This one's for the water.
I'm stopping this one, starting up the whole brand new one for this.
Okay.
Hold on a second now.